So 4. Hello? Alright, we are back to the modeling, creation of models and tables and database design. The relationship between delivery agent can be many delivery agent and others. It can be many to one to many. One delivery agent, many others, right? Yes, because delivery agent could continue to deliver. Or sorry, delivery agent is the driver, while dispatcher is the dispatcher is the one assigning the task to the delivery agent. So delivery agent may be asked to deliver many orders to different customers. Yes, is one to many. One to many. So let's check here. One to many. Delivery agent and what? An order. Please let's check from our diagrams here. One to many. Order and then what? Delivery agent. That means this is also having a relationship with what? With order. So one agent, many. So I can now say one to many. Let me see, is it correct? Let's see. No, the order. Not like that. The order age should be in. Okay, is correct. When you set order, it should be sent to a given delivery agent, or a delivery agent should pick a given order, right? Yes, I think the reverse is the order. Reverse should be the case. This should pick, like I repeated. Okay, I wanted the order to appear here. Good. So while you are giving an agent some orders to deliver, you push the order ID to the delivery agent, but actually I think there should be another table called delivery. Okay, there should be another table called delivery where both the order ID and the delivery agent ID will appear there. Because this is not
visible to the customer.
Of course, it will be visible to the customer. But with this now, this thing is not normalized. Actually, there are a lot of things. Maybe I will have to sit down on. There's the document. Of course, the guy has tried really, but if you want it to be so efficient, because as it is now, when you are registering a delivery agent, that means you have to be mentioning order ID. And it's not normalized. That should be, as we have done for availability, then there should be a table called delivery. Okay, let me see whether he has done that. Then we ignore this. Let me ignore it first, because this will not work really. Let me see whether he has done a table called delivery. Then we just order delivery agent. Order delivery. Yes, this should be the table. Order and delivery agent. So instead of saying order and delivery agent, this shouldn't be even relationship table. It should be a table, not relationship table. Delivery agent location, this is okay. And order delivery history table, this is okay. Payment, this is okay. Alright, this is dispatcher's table, this is okay. So in the delivery agent, we need to have information about the customer, information about the order. If we can get information about the order, then we can get information, we can trace who placed the order. Okay, then we should get information about the dispatcher. Then information about the agent. Maybe I'll create that later. Let's do this dispatchers table. This is most like doesn't have much difference with the delivery agent table, only that the name, right? Look at it. We can copy and paste. Dispatchers table, dispatcher ID, name, email, address. Is it? So I can copy this. Copy this, paste it. Yes, I need it duplicated. Okay, so you don't need to waste time here. Then you can just double click and make it what? Dispatcher what? Dispatchers. It says dispatchers. Dispatchers. And then this should be dispatchers ID. Okay, so if you check, I think everything is same, isn't it? Yes. Dispatcher ID, primary key, name, email, phone number, address. Name, email, phone number, address. Okay, the number, dispatcher number. This, this we introduced this. Of course, it can be null and later we just take it not null, so we don't have issues. We can always adjust. Then maybe I will skip this payment table. You do this because this we need it at the tail end of the other process. Then order status, history of order. This is where enables the customer to track his order. Order ID. Yes, of course, order ID, foreign key, then status, pending timestamp. Okay, let's take this order status history. Order status history. What do you say? Do you have anything similar? Order status history. Anyway, let's just create one. So this dispatcher, we haven't done any relationship here. I think there should be relationship between dispatcher and. Okay, let's see this order history, order status history. So we can see order status. Order status ID, ID of the order status, not low, auto increment 0 field 3 0 field padding. So what next? Order ID. We'll create a relationship from table of order, so we don't need to write order ID there. See what he has said, foreign key. Alright, you understand what he said here? You guys are not following at all. While I'm here, somebody is status. No, status pending is something you do, then timestamp. Status not no, timestamp. Timestamp. Alright? Yes. So, order status, what is the relationship? Let's check the relationship for order status. Of course, dispatcher will have one-to-many with regards to order, right? Then status updates, and order can have many status updates. one-to-many as well. Of course, delivery pending, cancel, and the rest. Yes, and I think let's take that. So we have done two tables here. We haven't set their relationship. This dispatcher is there because of what? Order, right? So one-to-many, that means many. Let me reduce the zoom here so I can create a relationship with this. Let me take dispatcher here. Okay. One dispatcher, many others. No. What have I done? Order ID. One dispatcher, yes, order ID. No, it's not like that. It's many to one, not one to many. Yes, this to this. Yes. One dispatcher, many IDs, many. Yes. But this, what I'm thinking is one too many. But I'm just thinking of something here. Yes, I like it this way. The order should appear here. Order ID should appear in the dispatchers. So from there you can trace back to the customer. Order back to the customer. Yes, you see customer here and this reflect here. Yes. Then order can have many status updates. Yes, the status update here for order, same thing. The update could be many and order is one, for example. Yes, so I can have this now. Yes, this is it. And I think with this now we are done. But then one table, one important table, the rest could be done maybe when we start development. This order delivery agent is a table, relationship table, but I'm not going to make a relationship table. It's going to be a table. So we now say, let me do something here. Let's see, level. It should be just delivery table. A table that stores delivery information. Just delivery table. Yes. Alright, and first thing here, we need order ID. We need customer ID, right?
Customer ID.
But if you can get order ID, we can get customer ID. So we don't have problem. Then we need dispatchers ID. What next? Then agent delivery agent ID. Thank you. Delivery agent ID. Then status. If delivered. If not, let's use what? Timestamp. The time you guys will start your mini projects, I'll just be looking at you guys. Only if you are contributing. So I think with this now, maybe if there is anything we may correct later, but with this we'll be done with this. So let me quickly do this. Delivery table. Then there should be ID for the table for the table itself, right? That is the delivery ID. Oh? Yes, for itself. So let's have another table. This is another table, delivery table, and we have delivery ID, not known, or to increment primary key, and let's make it 3, and order ID, dispatcher's ID, delivery agent ID. I think all these could be, if I add on only order ID, I can get dispatcher's ID, I can get delivery ID from all that. The reason is this. Let me, I'm not done with the table, but let's see. You see this delivery ID. Okay, the only thing is delivery agent is not attached to order. It's not attached to order, but it is attached to dispatcher. Okay, that means we haven't done one relationship here. Let's check on the relationships. One relationship is not done. Order is associated to many customers. All right. Delivery agent can have many orders. Okay, so you see delivery agent to many orders. I don't think if this is actualized. This is what will connect delivery agent and orders. So delivery agent and order, that should be what? A relationship. So if I can get that, then I can just concentrate on one of these, because dispatcher can give me delivery agent and dispatcher should also have relationship. And now this and order, so is one delivery agent to order at a time. So one to this delivery agent ID, delivery agent and delivery agent ID. But it shouldn't enter, it should be this to this. No. Yes. The delivery agent, the order should be yes, delivery agent should have many orders, right? Yes. delivery agent should have many one order, many it is showing one. No, this is not showing one order, many delivery. This is the menu. This, okay. Okay. Many to one, right? Many to one agent. Good. Then I talk about another dispatcher and who and others. That has been set. Go. Dispatcher. One order to many dispatchers? No. Many orders to one dispatcher. Yes, this is not correct. Yes, many orders to one dispatcher. All right. There should be another table here. Anyway, we'll do that later. Then the delivery. So now if delivery could connect to the order, you see everything is there. Go. The agent ID is there, customer ID is there, dispatcher ID is there. So delivery, the delivery table, one order to one delivery, that means 1 to 1. Yes, I can connect this now, this to this. All right. So with this now, I have all information needed. But let me see. It's not what I wanted. Is it possible? Yes, this is what I wanted. Yes. If I can have order ID here, then with that order ID I can trace the customer ID, I can trace the agent ID, I can trace the dispatcher's ID. Yes. So I think we can stop here for the database things. Let me drop this database completely and recreate it. Then let's push it. Let me save the model. Push it to create table. Forward engineering. And then we query to see what we have there. Make it active. Query to see. So these are the tables we are having. Let me stop the video here.